today in my role as the St David's Day World Ambassador for Mary Cymru. Now, I do take my role very, very seriously, as you can see. So, having created 3 county banners, a bilingual anthem, loads of school parades, school banners and everything, I was thinking, what else could we do? I know! A Daffy Dip for Dewi! So all these amazing people, actually they're not amazing, they're nuts, decided they were going to do this. This is the inaugural Daffy Dipping for Davy in Daffy Dipping for Dewi inaugural event. And if you want a hashtag, wherever you are in the world, please do. Because I've had people from the Gold Coast, Australia, say they're going to do it. You had Mount Wanganui in New Zealand. Anyway, you're getting cold, so I'm going to sing the song.
Oh, there's a song.
So I'm going to sing the St David's the anthem. So shut up, Teresa Hennessy. I know her well. And she got the idea as well. So anyway, here we go. Dewra toi dewi in Hai bachai, daion I roedd yn hai. Felly, gafnwch y dydd I dewi ar y Cymru I gyd. Peidiwch i'r cwf wedi, lemon a gan y byd. Cenwch y clychau dewi, cenwch nhw mewn cofhad. Cenwch y clychau yn uwch ac yn uwch. Genwch nhw ar hyd a wlad. English version coming up, one verse and chorus. Brave and wise was St David, his hands were healing hands. Cross was full of goodness, like seedlings in Hannah. So, his voice is high for St David. Shout out his name loud and clear. Hero of Welshmen and women. St David had no fear. Ring up the bells for St David, ring out across the land, ring for St David, ring, ring, let them ring, ring out over sea and sand.